Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 screen dimming problem. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Change Enable Adaptive Brightness to Off. Click Apply, click OK. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Display, turn off Night Light. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Gaming. Click Game Mode, turn off Game Mode. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Graphics Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Fifth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Graphics Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.